Hey everybody, welcome back to another It's Not a Problem, It's a Passion short here, where we're gonna do a charging session. First, you locate your charger. You locate your charging port, where in this instance on my 24 Chevy Silverado is back here in the back driver's corner. I have CCS here. So then you come over here, you grab the cable, and then you go ahead and just plug it in like so. And then it's going to say connecting to your vehicle. Look at that. Now it's awaiting payment. And because I have an iPhone, which is really convenient for my work phone, it has Apple Wallet. So then I can just choose my Electrify America card, scan it right there. Processing. Perfect. Approved. Initiating charging. Yes. There you go. Because Electrify America Pass, instead of being 60 cents, it's now 45 cents. Again, convenient. And we should start charging here. There you go. There's the GM beep. And there's our charging. Perfect. Now let's watch this charging speed. Oh yeah. And because I'm a technician, I can obviously put it in technician mode. How convenient. Authorized personnel only. Yes, we know. Which then gets me information like this. Woo-hoo, so you can get temperatures. How convenient. So right now, my Silverado is requesting, yep, it's at 638.5 volts, which means it's put the back pack into series. We have 269 amps. I like that. Chargers available to put up to 350 kilowatts. Nice. It's available to put up to 499 amps right now. Perfect. And I'm currently pulling 270. I like it. And after 20 minutes, temperatures are still looking absolutely phenomenal. You're charging at 90 kilowatts because we are at 80%. So my charging speed is going to go down. So then when we're done, we'll just go ahead and hit stop. There we go. Got 50 kilowatts put in. Perfect. And then you just come over, push the button, and you put it back into the holster. We, of course, cannot forget putting our cover back on. Closing the door. Then when you're done charging, you of course move out of the way. In this instance, I'm doing paperwork because I just replaced the cable. So I parked in a different spot, but there you go. I'm so glad that after that cable replacement, that the charging worked just fine, beautifully. Thank you so much for watching. Until the next one.